in this class. In last video we learned subtraction of fractions. In this video we are going to learn multiplication of fractions. So product of two fractions is equal to product of their numerator upon product of their denominators. So product of fractions means product of their numerators upon product of their denominators. Yes. Suppose that given that a upon b and c upon d, these two fractions, and we have to find its product. So we have to multiply, we have to find the product of its numerator. Okay. So a into c upon b into d. For example, 12 upon 9 into 7 upon 9. Okay. These two fractions is given 12 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. We have to multiply it. So 12 multiplied by 7. In multiplication, numerator with multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. Okay. So clear it. So 12 into 7, 84. 12 7 84. 9 into 9, 81. Like that, 8 upon 15 and 6 upon 15. These two fractions is given, and we have to find its product. What we have to find? We have to find its product. So 8 is the numerator of first fraction and 6 is the numerator of second fraction. So 8 into 6, that is 48, and 15 into 15, that is 225. Okay. Here first question is given 9 upon 10 by 8 upon 5. We have to multiply 9 upon 10 by 8 upon 5. So we may write 9 upon 10 into 8 upon 5. So in multiplication we have to multiply numerator by and denominators. So we get 8 9 ja 72 upon 10 5 ja 50. Yes. Like that, second 13 upon 5 by 8 upon 12. So 13 upon 15. So 13 upon 15 by is multiplied by 8 upon 12. So numerator, product of numerators, 13 8 ja 104 upon 12 multiplied by 15. So 15 12 ja 180. Yes. Now next is given 7 complete 5 upon 9 by 3 upon 2. 7 complete 5 upon 9 by 3 upon 2. This is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So 9 7 ja 9 multiplied by 7. 9 7 ja 63 plus 5 68 upon 9 into 3 upon 2. Multiply 3 8 ja 24, 4 carries 2, and 3 6 ja 18 plus 2 204 upon 18. You can reduce it because these are reducible. Okay. Next is given find 5 upon 9 of 45. We have to find 5 upon 9 of 45. So find it. 5 upon 9 of replaced by multiply 45. So we may write 45 by 45 upon 1. 9 1 are 9, 9 5 are 45. We cancel 45 by 9. So we get 5 into 5, that is 25. Okay. Next 11 upon 14 of 63. 11 upon 14 of 63 means 11 upon 14 multiplied by 63. Okay. Is 63 is divisible by 7 and 14. Yes. So both are divisible by 7. So 7 2 ja 14 and 7 9 ja 63. Okay. Now we have to multiply 11 multiplied by 9. 11 9 ja 99 upon 2. So what we get? 99 upon 2. Okay. There simplify 7 upon 9 into 72 upon 14 into 1 upon 2. 7 upon 9 into 72 upon 14 into 1 upon 2 is given. So 9 divides 22, it gives 8. 9 1 is 9, 9 8 is 72, and 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So what we get? 8 upon 7. 2 in 1 is 2, 2 4 is. So what we get? 4 upon 2, that is 2. Cancel it. So we get 2. Its simplification is 2 or you can write 2 upon 1. And second is given there 3 complete 1 upon 5. So we may write 3 complete 1 upon 5 as an improper fraction. 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16. 16 upon 5 into 2 complete 15 upon 2 is 10. So 10 to 20 plus 15 35 upon 10 into 1 complete 3 upon 4, that is 4 1 is 4 plus 3 7 upon. Okay, now by cancellation you can cancel it. 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. Okay, it is 2 5 is 10 and 2 is 16. So what we get? 8 upon 1 into 7 upon 5 into 7 upon 4. Now again it will be cancel. 4 by 8. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So what we get? 2 upon 1 into 7 upon 5 into 7 upon 1. Now it is not reducible. So we have to find its product. 2 into 7 into 7. 2 into 7 into 7 upon 1 into 5 into 5. So 2 into 7, 2 7 is 14, 14 7 is 98. So 98 upon, that is 1. 98 upon 1 into 5 into 5, that is 5. Okay. Now you can convert it into improper fraction, sorry mixed fraction, because it is improper fraction, so you have to convert it into mixed fraction. So convert it. 98 upon 5, it gives 19 complete 3 upon 5. So your result is 19 complete 3 upon 5. Student, find 1 upon 5 of an hour. Like that 2 upon 3 of an year. So 1 upon 5 of an hour. 1 upon 5 into an hour. Convert an hour into minutes. So what you will get? 60 minutes. So 5 12 is 60. So what you will get? 12 minutes. It means 1 upon 5 of an hour is 12 minutes. Second, 2 upon 3 of an year. So 2 upon 3 multiplied by of an year. So how many months in a year? There are 12 months. So multiplied by 12 months. How many months? 12 months. 12 is divisible by 3. Yes. So 3 1 is 3. 3 4 is 1. So what we get? 2 4 is 8. 8 months. Like that next 5 upon 8 of a day. 5 upon 8 of a day. So how many hours in a day? 24. So multiplied by 24 hours. Okay. So 24 is divisible by 8. Yes, it is divisible by 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 3 is 24. So what you will get? 5 3 is 15 hours. It means 5 upon 8 of a day is 15 hours. Like that next is given 11 upon 25 of a liter. So how many milliliters in a liter? 1000. So 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliters. Okay. So now 1000 is divisible by 25. Yes. 25 1 25 and there is 40. What you will get? 11 into 40 ml. That is 440 ml. Means milliliter. 11 upon 25 of a liter is 440 milliliters. Okay. Next, 4 upon 5 of an hour. So 4 upon 5 of an hour. Convert hour in a minutes. So what do we get? 60 minutes. So 5 1 is 5. 5 12 is 16. What do we get? 4 into 12. That is 48. 48 minutes. It means 4 upon 5 of an hour is 48 minutes. Okay. A book consists of 216 pages. During last week, because rain, 3 upon 4 of the book. How many pages did he read? how many pages did he read? So total number of pages, total number of pages contains in book is equal to 260, and because read 3/4 of book. So how many pages did he read? So number of pages read by Vikas, number of pages read by Vikas is equal to 3/4 into total number of pages in a book. How many pages in a book? 216. So multiplied by 216. Okay. Now, is it divisible by 4? Yes. 4 1 are 4. Now, 4 5 are 20 and 4 4 are 16. What do we get? 3 into 54. Multiplied it. 3 4 are 12. 3 5 are 15. 116. 162 pages. So, how many pages did he read? 162 pages. Okay. Thank you, students.